So this question is given in the JEST 2014 examination. The question is, a monoatomic gas consists of atoms with internal energy levels, ground state is 0 and excited energy state is what? Even. So what they are given, so ground state is equal to 0 and first energy excited state is what it is? E. Then what we have to calculate? We have to calculate for specific heat. We have to calculate specific heat. So what the formula we are having? Okay, monoatomic gas. The formula is for Cv, it is formula is dou U by dou T, and for U it is minus dou by dou beta ln Z, and for Z value is what? Summation Gi e power minus beta Ei. Okay, so these are the formulas required to solve this question. Okay, so first let's write the partition function. So partition function is summation. So Gi is not given. Okay, so energy e power minus beta Ei. So here energy is 0 first, e power 0 plus, and then energy is what? It is e power minus here minus beta I. So this will become 1 plus e power minus beta I. Okay, Z value is completed. Now what we have to find out? U. So U is equal to average energy, it is minus dou by dou beta ln Z. Okay, now minus dou by dou beta. Okay, ln Z means what? It is 1 by Z. After differentiation ln we get 1 by Z, then dou by dou beta of Z. So 1 by Z is what? It is, let us write as it is. Okay, Z value is what? It is dou by dou beta 1 by Z. Okay, dou by dou beta is 1. So differentiating with respect to 1 it is 0. Differentiating with respect to beta with respect to this it is minus e power minus beta I. So we are getting as, after differentiation we get 1 by Z minus e power minus beta I. So this is what? U. And then okay, U value. And now what we have to do? U is completed now. Internal energy completed, then specific heat is equal to dou U by dou T. So we have to differentiate with respect to T. So let us write this in terms of T. So it is minus e power minus beta is equal to 1 by kt. So it is e by kt by Z. We can also write the Z value, but for the easy calculation let us write as Z in the denominator as it is. So Cv is equal to, differentiating U by V formula na, so minus of Z square. Z value is what? It is 1 plus e power minus e by kt. Okay, let us write e outside minus e outside. Okay, and then dou by dou T of this term, inside term, e power numerator term, e by kt minus numerator outside dou by dou T of 1 plus e power minus e by kt. Okay, so minus e, this is 1 plus e power minus e by kt, on differentiating this. Okay, so let us do here d by dt of e power minus e by kt. So we will get what? Minus e by k coefficient, and 1 by t is what? It is minus 1 by, differentiating 1 by t is minus 1 by t square e power minus e by kt. So minus into minus plus, e by kt square exponential minus e by kt. We are getting this. Okay, so we will get e by kt square e power minus e by kt minus, as it is, e by kt, differentiating with 1 0, same differentiation of e power minus kt is what it is, e by kt square, and then e power minus e by kt by z square. Now multiply inside, so minus e by z square e by kt square e power minus e by kt plus e by kt square, 2 times exponential, so it is minus 2e by kt minus, okay, so here e by kt square 2 times exponential minus 2e by kt. Now these two terms are same, so we can cancel out this, so this will become, okay, this two term e into e is what, minus, okay, minus e by kt minus 1 by t square, so it is what, e square by kt square z square e power minus e by kt. It is what it is, it is this Cv, and here internal energy what we got here, minus, so here we are getting minus, but we did somewhere mistake. Okay, here it is minus dou by dou beta, minus is there na, lambda z is inside term, minus we are having here, so minus 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 and minus we will get plus, plus e plus e plus e plus e. Okay, so this is for specific heat in quantum by the quantum mechanics we can get this, and by using classical mechanics we can get as 3 by 2 k. Here k is what, Boltzmann constant. Okay, so now as comparing from the options, now average of both is what, classical, and when we add these two we will get 3 by 2 k. Okay, adding both quantum and classical we will get this e square by kt square e power minus e by kt. Let us write z value is what it is, 1 plus e power minus beta e. So which option is correct? C option is correct.